I'm going to show you a little bit of some things I found out about this Robinair Schrader valve removal tool. Basically, it fits on your port like this. I'm going to take it inside to kind of show you a little bit better. Basically attaches to your port, and then you use this screw handle to remove the Schrader valve while the system is still full on refrigerant. I'm going to take this inside and show you a few things that I found out about it that might save you a little bit of frustration down the line. So this tool basically fits on the end of your Schrader valve like this, and at this point what you'll end up doing is, this is a open and shut valve, so that basically lets the freon flow into this tool. As you use this tool to remove the Schrader valve, this pushes in, as you can see. You're able to turn this knob and remove the Schrader valve back up into, pull that up, so I pulled that out. The Schrader valve ends up back in this part. You're able to shut off the flow, remove the end of the tool like that, and the Schrader valve will come with it. A couple cool things about this is this tool on the end of it, and it's kind of hard to hold the phone here, actually will hold on to the Schrader valve. At the end of it, it's got a little bit of a cup inside there, so it will actually hold on and snap into the tool, which is pretty cool. Then you'll just put your new Schrader valve in like this, tighten this back up, open this valve up, run your tool back in, tighten the Schrader valve up till it's tight. You're gonna pull it back out, shut the flow off, take the tool off, and you've put in a new Schrader valve without having to take the refrigerant out. So here's the issue I found with it. I was trying to use this tool for the first time, and I'm sure it was probably in the instructions, but I didn't pay too much attention to it. And the Schrader valve would not come out of the hole that was, like, this was connected to the line, right? What ended up happening is at the end of this tool, there's a couple of O-rings in here. And when you tighten this tool down onto the factory Schrader valve like this, or the factory fitting, this O-ring that's down in here actually closes down. And what that does is it smashes it down so much that the Schrader valve can't fit through there and it gets stuck. So what I ended up doing was just leaving the tool on, and didn't know what to do. Did some more investigation into it and kind of found out that inside this fitting right here, there's two big O-rings in there. And those O-rings, when this fitting gets so tight on your equipment, actually smash those O-rings down together. It closes up and doesn't allow the Schrader valve to go through it. So what you got to do with this tool is just loosen it up a little bit. You'll feel a little bit of refrigerant leak out, but not too much. And at that point, these O-rings that are down in here will open up a little bit and allow the Schrader valve to come in and out. So I hope this saves you a little bit of time using one of these tools. I think this is pretty common for these tools. It's pretty obvious why they put those huge O-rings in there, and that's to seal it. But at the same time, if you get this tool too tight down on the service valve, it will smash these O-rings together, and the Schrader valve cannot go down through there and basically come out the other side. So that's something to consider when you're using one of these tools. See you guys.